you did this to me. This is your fault. Yes, you. And I couldn't be more grateful, guys. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers. I'm going to take these out because they're hurting me. They're not real. Of course they're not real. I mean, it would be cool if they were, but I don't like needles. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for 500 subscribers. This is my 500 subscribers video. All of this was possible because of you, and this is the get up that the girlfriend decided to do. It took forever, and I was very scared of the little burning thing that went through my hair, but I did it all for you because I love you all, and thank you so much. In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool story that's going to inspire the crap out of you, as I usually say. It is how I got this brand new camera that I'm filming on right now that I asked the universe for, and I knew it was going to come to me. I just didn't know how it was going to come to me. I'm also going to talk about these beads that I'm wearing, these brand new beads that I got from my girlfriend Lisa, as well as this awesome shirt that says thoughts create reality in different languages. So stick to the very end of the video, and I promise you're going to walk away feeling inspired and very happy that you watched this. But before that, again, my name is Kai Valentine. If you haven't seen me before, I teach Law of Attraction here on the Kai Valentine channel. And what makes my channel different, and for what other people are telling me in the comments that I'm reading, and guys, by the way, thank you so much for all the comments. They mean the world to me. What I've been told is that I'm taking these advanced topics of the law of attraction. I'm answering questions like, how do we ask the universe for things? Like, specifically, how do we ask, right? Like, that's a difficult question to answer, and a lot of people just kind of jump around, like, they just say, ask the universe. Well, how do I ask? If I say, well, can I have a dog? Can I have a car? Does that seem right? Or do I demand, I want a car, but now I have to put it in the present. I have a car, but is that really asking? These are the questions I answer on this channel because that is so confusing. But what I do is I take the information from these ancient texts, from these books from other masters of the law of attraction that I've been reading for 19 years. I believe it's exactly 19 years that I've been studying this, and I take all of this information and I put it into a ball that I roll up and I give to you in a very relatable way, hopefully a very relatable way. Where you're at with the law of attraction is somewhere that I've previously been, and now is where I've strived. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm excited because of the 500 subscribers, and I just can't fathom it. It's so awesome, guys. Thank you so much. So here's the law of attraction story that I wanted to tell you about today. The universe works in mysterious ways. It just does, and it always works out for me. You may be wondering, what does a law of attraction master get for Christmas? Well, he gets a lot of really awesome things. For one, I got scratch-offs, and I won $42, and everyone was really shocked and surprised, and I was like, you know what? I'm not surprised. This stuff happens to me all the time. I always win at everything I do. Miracles happen to me all the time. Let's say I hadn't won, right? I still would have said that. I still would have said, oh, these things happen to me all the time. I'm a miracle worker. Miracles, well, that sounds like I'm Jesus. I may look like him, but I'm not Jesus. I often joke that I look like Aragorn Jesus. Anyway, miracles always happening. I always say this kind of stuff, but I did win $42. I also got this really awesome lapis lazuli, something like that. It's another set of marrow beads that goes with my tiger's eye. This is for determination, and I'm all about determination. It's so awesome. So I'll be wearing these for the rest of my life. Anyway, the story I wanted to tell you is this camera. I asked the universe, I was like, I need a camera for doing these YouTube videos. In order to give you guys the content that you really deserve, I need a camera that is suitable for professional YouTube videos, because now I'm spending 2 to 3 hours every day making a video that you get every morning at 6:30, Monday through Friday, and I just needed a camera. So I asked the universe, the way I always do, and you can watch my other videos on exactly how I do this. And what happened was, I asked my mom, but I didn't expect anything. You know, I had it on, you know, she asked me what I wanted. I was like, oh, I need a camera. But I knew she wasn't going to get it because she doesn't know anything about cameras. Zero, right? And if you look up cameras on Amazon, you get camcorders, and I didn't need a camcorder. My phone's better than a camcorder. Well, anyway, she goes to California and she meets up with 15 friends, right? 15 friends. And out of these 15 friends at lunch, she sits next to one that didn't know anyone else in the group. And my mom, she's a very compassionate woman, and this is where I get it from. And she turns this lady and, of course, befriends her. My mom's very friendly. In fact, she's got red hair, which is weird how I turned up I wanted to say a brunette. I don't think you say brunette for guys. But she befriended her, and it turns out, and this is, okay, if this doesn't give you goosebumps, I don't know what will. It turns out that this lady works for Warner Brothers. She edits the videos on Warner Brothers. And she goes, my mom goes, oh my God, my son Kai, he does YouTube videos for Law of Attraction. Can you help me? And this lady knew exactly what I needed. She showed my mom the Canon EOS, which is a mirrorless camera that most professional YouTubers use. Not only that, but got me an audio mic, an external mic, so I could talk, the audio's better, because I knew I was going to have to get an external mic. Not only that, but I got a stand, all of these things, exactly what I needed. Does the universe not provide? It always provides. And, money aside, if my mom didn't know about the camera, I wouldn't have gotten it anyway, right? Let's just take money out of the equation. My mom doesn't know anything about cameras, so you know what the universe did? The universe spoke through this person, spoke through my mom in order to bring me my desire. You have to start looking for these patterns. You'll see it everywhere. And my question is always this: when does it stop being coincidence? And when can we all just agree the law of attraction is real and the universe is conspiring to give you your desire? Usually I would say comment down below this, but I have something else I want you to comment down below. So another thing I want to tell you about this shirt. This was another gift I got from my brother. It's Thoughts Create Reality in all different languages. French, I speak French, fun fact, and Japanese, which I'm studying. I believe there's Italian, and his girlfriend is Russian, and that is authentic Russian. I believe that might be Chinese on there. Either way, it's Thoughts Create Reality. It's our new brand called Thoughts Evolved. We don't have our website yet, but this is the first shirt that we're coming up. That it was my idea, and he did it for me. It took him 3 days to do. So super excited about that. Oh, fun fact about me: I do speak French. Je parle français. J'adore beaucoup de langues. J'ai étudié le français à l'université et aussi j'ai un diplôme en français aussi. J'ai étudié le français à Lille pour 3 mois. Désolé, je dois parler en anglais maintenant, je pense. Yeah, so, aussi mon français n'est pas parfait. Désolé, my French isn't perfect, but I really enjoy languages, and I've used the law of attraction to learn languages, which I was thinking about making a video about. So if you have any French questions, or if you are French, let's talk French. But if you have any questions specific to me, Kai, my personal life, whatever, comment it down below, and I would be more than happy to answer. This video is for my fans. I'm not expecting this to go out into the world. I have no outcome in mind for this video. So if you have any questions specific to me, if you have any law of attraction questions, ask it down below and I will answer every single comment, okay? Guys, if you do want to help me out, remember to comment on my videos, to like and to share. We can grow. And something else, if you stuck to the end of this video, I want you to know that you are a super fan, and I appreciate you so much that I would have a sexual interaction with you. No, I'm joking. Am I? These beads aren't just for meditating. Okay, if you stuck around a lot, I'm allowed to say that to you because I know you're cool. This video is off the rails. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yes, now I remember. I remember everyone who comments, right? This channel is going to blow up. That's just how the law of attraction works. I'm using it correctly. This channel is going to explode. And that means at one point I won't have time to answer everyone's questions. But you, yes you, I will remember you. I remember all of you. We started with Road Rage, let's call it the Road Rage, and we moved on to Jarsul, and just so many people. And I have you guys, I know this sounds kind of creepy, I have you down on an Excel spreadsheet. So when you do comment on the videos, when this explodes, I'll look you up and I can respond to you. So I'm not going to forget about you. As I said before, we're growing as a family, and I really appreciate you joining the Valentine family. This is a community where we can all talk about the law of attraction, from its weirdness to its intricacies to its basics to everything. Guys, I love you all. Thank you so much for the 500 subscribers, and it was very worth taking the very scary, hot thing that girls... It's hard being a girl. God, it's hard. It's so hard. God. It was scary. Anyway, I'll show you the video of me getting this all done. I love you all, and I hope you have a wonderful New Year's Eve, New Year's. I hope you had a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I might not see you for a while, just for like till January 1st or January 2nd, because I'm going to the girlfriend's to hang out with her family. And let me know what you'd like to see in future videos, like future challenges and stuff like that. I would love to hear from you guys. This is for you, and I want to make content specifically for awesome people like you. I love you all, and I hope you have a wonderful week.